I'm Buffy Allen with Ray and Poynor Properties. Welcome to 723 Euclid Avenue, all new construction house in the heart of Crestline in Mountain Brook. Come on in and take a look. There's nothing better than a large, sunny kitchen to entertain with your family and friends. You've got a 10-foot island, easy shut cabinetry, and a full suite of stainless Thermador appliances, including a 36-inch gas range. You've also got this awesome walk-in pantry with microwave and tons of storage. This house lives large. It has 2 laundries on the main and upper, hardwood floors, a separate great room with an awesome copper ceiling, a living room with a limestone fireplace, a main level master bath with a custom closet, and an extra half bath. Upstairs, you're going to find a large den, 4 bedrooms with custom closets, 3 full ensuite baths, and a home office nook. And downstairs is a huge basement with a bedroom, a custom closet, a full bath, a billiards room, and a separate playroom. Outside's an awesome deck leading to a finished backyard. Landscaping and a custom mailbox ready to go for you.